What's up guys, this is Aman from TechOnline9 and we are doing an unboxing on the iPad Pro 12.9 inch and I have some accessories for it. We're going to talk about that right now. Here are the accessories. Take a look. We have this Magic Keyboard, what I've been waiting around for a while now. Here it is. I'm going to unbox this. Really nice, very heavy. And then I have a surprise for you. I've got the Apple Pencil 2. Apple Pencil 2. So we're going to open these up and we're going to take a look to see what these guys have inside it, and we're going to talk a little bit about it and go from there. Here we go. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I do unboxings, I do reviews. Go ahead and subscribe for me. It would really help out my channel, and I will continue to make these videos for you guys, and I really appreciate you guys, especially the people that believe in me right now, all the believers. Thank you so much. Here we go. Let's get this rolling. All right, let's open up this bad boy and take a look what we have inside, huh? Full disclosure, guys, I have already opened this. As you guys can see with the fingerprints, this thing is a 12.9 inch massive slab of fingerprints. Okay, this thing, at least the screen, definitely is a fingerprint magnet, as you guys can see right in front of you. I tried to clean this a few times. Honestly, I wipe my fingers clean. Still, like every time you touch it, especially in the sun, you see every little thing on there. Okay, so you get a couple of things with it. You get the stickers, and you get like a little information guide, and it tells you what you can do with it. It tells you a little bit about the cameras. It has a dual cameras now. All right, this is the first year, 2020, they got the dual cameras in here. They still have the same features basically, so there's not that much difference in that. Let's take a look what's in this. Okay, nothing else, empty. Okay, so basically that's what comes with. It comes with the charger, which is right behind you over there. So now let's take a look. USB-C on both sides. That's a positive and a negative at the same time, because all of my old stuff is not going to work with it anymore. So this is a fast charging brick. That's good. That's the standard. It's been a standard with every other iPhone, every other company except for Apple. They're always late to the game, but eventually they do come around. Now let's go around and take a look at what this thing looks like. I mean, this thing is amazing, guys. It feels so amazing. And honestly, this thing is around 900 bucks for the 128 gigabyte. This is the 128 variant, 12.9 inch, and this one is the space gray edition. So Apple did decide to change a few things with this iPad. Obviously the look is basically exactly the same as the last iPad, but it does have the 812Z Bionic chip, which is a lot faster than last year's, and it does have the 120 refresh rate, which is really good for people that are gamers. You're gonna get very crisp and clear movements. You're not gonna be able to see any shadowing, which is an amazing feature right now. And bar none, this is probably the fastest iPad ever produced, and I think, in my opinion, it beats any Android tablet, period. Another improvement to this iPad that was done this year, which is the studio mics that they put in this iPad. That is a huge improvement for people that actually record their voice. All right, let's open up the Magic Keyboard and take a look what this thing is all about. And is it worth it? We'll find out soon enough. Man, is that satisfying, huh? What a nice day, coming out to the beach, opening up new products. But here's what it looks like on the back, if you guys want to take a look. And really nice. It almost looks like it's floating. I saw it at the store and I said, you know what, let me give it a try. Now, one thing I thought it did have was a leather back, which it doesn't. It's actually more like a TPU plastic, but it's a very good and good quality product. I'm gonna take a look at it right now. We're gonna open this up. Let's get this opened up. Okay, so there's nothing inside here, and ooh, wow, pretty heavy, guys. This is all there is, just the actual keyboard. There it is. Look at that, guys. $350 for this thing, okay? It's a lot of money. So let's see, is this product worth it? We're gonna open it up and we're gonna take a look. Really nice. All right, here we go, guys. Let's take a look at this thing. It's actually really nice. It feels almost like leather. It's not leather, but it feels like it. So for $350, is it worth it? The feel is good, I'm not gonna lie, but I wish it was leather. And the guy, the associate at the Apple store, after the Apple technician or whatever they call him, told me, well, if Apple was selling this with leather, it'd be like $500, which is ridiculous. I think $350 to $400 should be the leather edition, not this. But it's still really, really good quality. I have to say, it feels good in the hand, okay? Really nice. It's got this line right here, which is where it probably bends to adjust, okay? And then also, I don't know if you guys can see, it's got the Apple logo embossed inside it, which is really nice. And then the back has nothing. It's just straight, flat surface, okay? So let's open it up and we'll take a look what's inside it. Oh wow, that's nice. It actually clicks into place. What's inside here? Let's take a look. What do we have? Let's put that away. We're going to take a look to see if there's actually something in here or not. Okay, so you have this. Apple does a really good presentation, as you guys can see. Sorry about the birds in the back, guys. So this pops out just like that. Really nice, okay? Slides right in. I don't know how they do this, but it's pretty amazing how they do all of these things, okay? So this probably has, okay, so it tells you basically what to do, okay? It just has the usual books and crap, you know, which we're not gonna use, right? Just kind of shows you the angles you can use it at, okay? Let's take a look real quick. All right, just tells you where and how you can fold it, okay? Slide this back in there. We'll put this away. I don't want it to fly away with the wind. You don't want it to be gone with the wind. All right, now let's look at what we're actually here for, the Apple keyboard, okay? Here it is. Really nice. I mean, I'm impressed. It feels like a laptop. It really does feel like a laptop case. I'm gonna put it in there and we're gonna show you how it feels, okay? And this does bend over like that, okay? Can you guys see that? It almost looks like the iPad is floating on there when you actually put it on there. So here we're gonna put it on there and show you, okay? Oh, before I do that, guys, I wanted to show you something really cool that the guy showed me. See those 3 pins? That is how you connect the iPad to the Apple keyboard. You don't need to have Bluetooth connected to this, so you don't ever have to worry, oh, I've got a wire connecting to it, or this not, or just connecting it through Bluetooth. As soon as you put it on top of this, it actually just seamlessly works, which is another really nice thing that I love about Apple, okay? So here we go. We're gonna put this on there and we'll take a look. Let me get the iPad. All right, so here's the iPad and here's the keyboard. Guess that's as far as it goes. So there it is. Bam. You guys see that? How amazing is that? And then if you want to tilt it, you just bend this part. And it looks like it's floating. How cool is that, guys? It's like a laptop on the go. And if you don't want this, you can just pop it right off. It actually has a trackpad, I actually used it at the store, which was really nice. Tactile keys. You guys see the keys? I want to show you. Really nice laptop quality. This whole thing is hard, okay? So it doesn't bend. It's really nice. One main thing I want to tell you guys about this keyboard is that it is a light up keyboard, okay? So you do have, I believe it was white, basic white light, but it is light up, okay? That's important for people that are actually trying to use this at nighttime or work really late hours and they need the light. It's gonna be perfect, okay? Well, and what I noticed on this side is, I believe that's a USB-C connection to probably charge it. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to take a look at that and tell you guys in a future video, but I believe that is how you charge it, okay? And when you close it up, I want to show you how thin it is, okay? I saw the $99 case at the Apple store, and honestly, this is much better. They basically feel the same. They're not that much bigger than each other. This one just has a hinge right there, which bends and opens. But other than that, they're pretty good product. I would definitely want to try this out for a few days and then get back to you and let you guys know what I feel about it. But first impressions, it's solid. I would recommend it as far as what it feels like and the quality. So it's a major positive for this product. And that. Okay, so if you guys like this video, subscribe to me, hit the bell icon. Oh, by the way, forgot unboxing of this. Let's do this. The Apple Pencil 2. It's got a little tab right there. I guess you pull it out like that. There we go. Wow. Look at the presentation, guys. Can you guys see that? Everything that I've unboxed today is amazing. Oh, I almost dropped that thing. Gotta be careful. So, this is the Apple Pencil 2. You guys see that? Really nice, guys. I love this. I've been wanting this for a while. So let's open this up. It's also wrapped up in another plastic. Take that off. Okay, this is really nice for people that like to draw, or also for people that are in school right now. You can use this for writing notes on your phone or on your iPad. Anything you have basically that's an Apple device, you can kind of use this. But mainly it's made for the iPad. Even the new iPad that just came out, that Apple announced just in September, the iPad Air, you can use this on there if you want to, okay? So anybody that's a student, this is actually a perfect companion for your iPad Pro or any other iPad that actually you're able to use this on, okay? So there we go. So how do you charge this thing? Let me show you guys, okay? In case you don't know how to charge this still, I'm gonna show you guys, okay? Here we go, look. So all you do is you drop it right on top of the iPad, just like that, and bam, it sticks right to it. Close it up seamlessly, and it's there. And you know what, honestly, let's see if you can drop this or not. Okay, so I'm doing it pretty hard, and it's not budging. So Apple made a really good decision right here. Comes off if you want to take it off. Write your notes if you need to write your notes. Okay, so that's a major plus for me. So you can just leave it on the side. It'll let it charge right over there. Okay, and then once you're done, it actually tells you, when you connect it, it tells you how much battery life you have on the Apple Pencil, okay? So that's a real positive. Once you're done with the pencil, put it back on there. It's almost like a holder for a charger and a holder. So the iPad charges there, okay? That's a really convenient feature. You don't have to worry about like the old iPads. Remember the old iPads, guys? When you had to actually plug it into here? That was really terrible, okay? That was a bad idea. I don't know why and who decided that, but anyways, this is a much better idea. in my opinion, this is a positive idea, and I love it. I'm gonna have to try this pencil out and let you guys know what it's all about and how good it is. But as far as I'm concerned and what I've seen in the previous videos from some other reviewers, it's a really good product, and I would recommend it from watching what I saw in their videos and what you can actually do with it. There's different pressure points. You can actually decide, you know what, I want to push it a little bit harder, and you're going to get a different intensity in the actual pencil drawing. Or if you do a little bit lighter, it's just going to change the way the drawing looks. So I really like that. It has millions of pressure points at the end, and I want to show you guys it, okay? The tip is super thin this year. I like that. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. Pick it up in there. It definitely feels like a pencil. One side is flat, by the way. That is the side that it flips over. So even if you put it on like this, it'll flip over and onto the iPad and actually start charging automatically, okay? So I love it. Tell me what you guys think about this product. Leave a comment down below. And that's it for the unboxings. I hope you like my video. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you all believers for believing in me. Stay strong. I'll see you guys next one. Okay? Peace.